Hi, and welcome to TwelveNYC. I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys today. We got the Target beauty box waiting outside our door as we were on our way out. So I'm going to be going through this with you guys, but I wanted to get this up today. So we're going to try to get this filming done. So I want to make sure that first, if you are new to my channel, that you choose to subscribe. It's really easy and it's free. It's the red button that's right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. And if you press that, and I recommend that you do, it's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube sends you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video, and you'll see a picture and the title in your emails. If you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. So I use it, I enjoy it, and I want to make sure that you know about it as well. I also just want to share a little thing with you. The reason we named this channel TwelveNYC is we wanted to be a channel where it helps you make a decision if this is something that you want or it's something that you need. And that's something that I've always asked myself, is this something that I just wanted, or is this something that I need? So I wanted to name the channel TwelveNYC so that we'd be able to help you guys make that decision based on the purchases that we make here. So if you're familiar with the Target Beauty Box, it is a $7 a month box. It comes free for the freight. But what I want you guys to help me in the comments down below, I purchased this with a Target credit card. So with that card, you get like, I think, a 5% discount off of everything that you get at Target. But I don't know if it's because I purchased it with the card that I get the box shipped for free, or if all the Target beauty boxes ship for free. So if you know the answer to that, please leave that in the comments down below so that we can share that within the TwelveNYC community. The other thing I wanted to share with you guys, I used to love getting the Target beauty boxes, and it used to be a run dash to get it because it would always sell out so quick. So they started changing what they were putting in the boxes, and I really wasn't getting it for a very long time. And now, last month was the first month that I got one in a long time, and I am loving what they are doing. The boxes seem to be really themed and beautiful, and they're these really great keepsake boxes. And what I was missing was they weren't putting a lot of makeup products in there, and there always seemed to be missing lipsticks. So when I saw that there was a box this month that was just filled with lipsticks, I had to get it. So that's what we're going to be going through today. There are other boxes available that if you go on Target.com and you put in the Target beauty box, you will see other boxes that are available, plus some previous boxes. So if you had the opportunity to watch some other people do some unboxings and you said, wow, that's great, you can still go on Target.com, and then hopefully you'll be able to get one for yourself. So let's go through what we got in the box today. So like I said, it's a beautiful keepsake box. Inside all these boxes, they always have a little card inside that gives you some information on the products, as well as a $3 coupon that I always used to use. I used to use it to pick up the Pixie toner sprays that were $15, and then I would get the $3 off there. So these $7 boxes really were only $4 because I used to always use the $3 coupon. The only thing you need to know is it's good for usually the whole month of February, and then it's for beauty purchases of $15 or more on cosmetics, skincare, or hair care. And you could use it on .com, or you could use it in the store. They always come with a cute little tissue paper, usually matches the box, which it is right now doing the same thing. And I'm just going to look down, read at the card, and then pull whatever it says that's in the box out, and then we'll go through it from there. All right, the first item that's in here says it is from TwelveNYC. It's saying it is the Perfect Pout Cooling Gel Lip mask. It is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Look at this. And they're saying it is a cooling mask. So I'm just going to read to you what they wrote on the card. And it says it delivers a cool, soothing relief of moisturizing at home and gives you that spa experience. They're saying you could put it in the refrigerator for an hour or in the freezer for up to 30 minutes. They're saying it's good to use after you've used your favorite lip scrub or your moisturizing product. So that is going to be something fun to try. So that's the first item in there. And the next item in here is from Dr. Bronner. And it is saying, let me just pull all these things out of the box. Okay. It's saying it is from Dr. Bronner. It's saying it is an organic lip balm. And it's saying it is peppermint, and they're saying it is an all-in-one. It's saying it is a rich blend of jojoba and avocado and hemp oils, which will keep your lips soft and smooth. So they're saying this has, yeah, it smells like peppermint, and it is a typical lip balm, but they're saying it is organic. And they're also recommending that you can use it on your cuticles or any dry area because it is organic. So really, really excited about that. The next item we got in here is from Burt's Bees. It's a moisturizing lip mask. So that must be this guy here. And it says it is a single-use lip mask which will moisturize and hydrate instantly and define your lips with a blend of natural ingredients, including meadow foam seed and almond oils. They're saying it is 100% natural hydrating formula, which will leave behind soft, smooth, nourishing lips. So that's a one use, and that's from Burt's Bees, and that's what the back of the package looks like, and that's what the front looks like. Really nice. Okay, the next item here is from St. Ives or Eves, and that is a lip scrub in a jar. It's this guy here, and that's what the jar looks like. And it says it is a vibrant exfoliating scrub which polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. They're saying how to use it to simply massage and exfoliate onto your lips and then wipe off with a glow. And this one says it is in sweet passion fruit, and it's saying it is 100% natural sugar, and that's how it was made. Oh, it smells divine. Really, really sweet. Oh, that is going to be a lot of fun to use. It looks like we're getting a lot of full-size products in here. All right, the next item in here is from Milani, and that's what it looks like here. Really, really pretty packaging. And that says it is a bold color statement matte lipstick. It is a hyperpigment formula which provides bold color in just one stroke. It's up to 8 hours of smudge-proof wear. Easy Glide formula. It's infused with a Manoi oil to keep your lips hydrated and kissable. The hint, it says to add moisture to your lips before applying, which will help fill in any cracks or lines so that your matte formula goes on smooth and looks even. So maybe you can use the organic balm before this, but let's see what this looks like. And the color that I received this in is number 10. I Am Confident. That's what it looks like here. And it looks like it's a true fall color. The tube and everything. I find Milani is a really beautiful brand, and I enjoy everything from their foundation to their shadows to their blush is a great dupe for NARS. Their Luminoso, I think is the name. I really, really enjoy their products. So when I see there's a Milani product in a Target box, I usually just jump at it. Yeah, it is a dark shade, and when I wear shades like this, I try to lighten them up a little bit with a beigey type of gloss over it, which tones this down, and that also helps with the matteness. But it did go in, did go on my hand, pretty creamy, but that's what it looks like here. And like I said, it is a full-size lipstick, so really, really pretty. Really, really happy. So that's Milani, and these lipsticks are usually, I think, around $10 on their own, so it's more than the box. All right, the Burt's Bee Lip Shimmer Peony is the next one here, and that's what it looks like here. And I have used these before. These are really, really nice. They're like, they're 100% natural, and what's great about them, they're like a lip balm, but they usually have a tint to them. So this is called the Lip Shimmer in Peony. They're saying it is enriched with shea butter, beeswax, and antioxidant-rich fruit oils to moisturize and nourish and soften the lips naturally. They're saying it will glide on with the perfect complement of moisture and a touch of color. It is the 100% natural moisturizing lip that will smooth texture that looks great alone, or you could layer it with your favorite lipstick. And that's what I found with these. So they're really nice, like, you know, if you want to just go for a walk, but you want to, you know, put your sunglasses on and just have like a balm on. This is nice because it usually just has a hint of color, and they're so moisturizing. I'm just trying to put a little bit more on so that the color comes out. Most of the ones that I had did not have a shimmer to them, so these are really, really pretty. and that's what it looks like there. And let me open her up. So that's what the color looks like in the tube, and that's what it looks like when you put it on your hand. Really, really pretty. Okay, and the next item that's in here, which is our final item, that is from Soap and Glory. That's what it looks like here. And I've used this product before. These come also sometimes in the kits that you get during Christmas time when you get to try all those great Soap and Glory little packets. And this was one time in one of mine that I've had the opportunity to try, and it does a little plumping. I'm just going to read to you what's on the card. So it says it is a sexy mother pucker lip plumping gloss. Did that good. Okay. And it's saying it is in Plums Up is the color that we have here. And that one is saying it is this plumping gloss will glide on your lips, which will make them feel soft and look ravishing. It is featuring our trademark lip plumping technology to add extra volume and moisture, making your lips feel instantly fuller. And it definitely something to shout a pout. Very cute. So they're saying it's likely that besides your pout looking plumper, your lips will feel a little buzz. Not to worry, that's normal. And they're saying it is vegan and not tested on animals. I didn't find it to be an uncomfortable feeling, where some other ones I have tried have. But let me just show you what the color looks like on here. So it is a really pretty color that you could wear on its own, or you can put it on top of a lipstick. So I think the theme in here where the colors, they're really, really complementary to each other. So you could probably even place this on top of the matte lipstick too, and that will complement it really, really nicely. So that's the items there. So I think we did really great. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in a $7 box with a $3 coupon. And to me, they all look like they are full-size products. So really, really excited for everything that we're going to have the opportunity to try. And like I said, if this is something that is of interest to you, definitely go on Target.com, type in Target Beauty Box, and then you can get one for yourself. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for finding my channel. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.